Xiaomi, you know the name, they've been killing it in the smartphone game, offering incredible value for money and consistently pushing the boundaries of what a budget phone can be. And guess what? They're back at it again with the Redmi A3x. This phone is all about delivering a solid smartphone experience without breaking the bank. But can it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. We'll break down all the key features. Design, performance, camera, battery life, you name it, we'll cover it. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly what the Redmi A3x brings to the table, and whether it's the right phone for you. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, and let's get this review started. The Redmi A3x isn't just any budget smartphone. Don't let that fool you. It's packed with features you'd normally find on more expensive devices. First up, the design. Xiaomi has clearly paid attention to detail here. The phone has a sleek and modern look and feels comfortable in hand. The display is a vibrant 6.5 inches, offering plenty of screen real estate for enjoying multimedia content. Under the hood, we've got a powerful processor. This ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, whether you're browsing the web, scrolling through social media, or even light gaming. The Redmi A3x can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And to keep you powered up all day long, there's a massive battery. We're talking about some serious endurance here. No need to constantly search for a charger. Now let's talk cameras. The Redmi A3x boasts a capable camera system that captures impressive photos and videos. Let's talk aesthetics. The Redmi A3x is a looker for a budget phone. The design is sleek and modern with minimal bezels around the display, giving you that immersive viewing experience. The build quality is solid, it feels good in the hand, and you won't feel like you're holding a cheap device. The phone comes in a variety of stylish colors, so you can choose one that matches your style. The display is a 6.5-inch IPS LCD, with a resolution that's sharp enough for everyday use. Colors are vibrant and punchy. Viewing angles are decent. You won't have any trouble using the phone outdoors. The screen is bright enough to combat glare. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the Redmi A3x's display won't disappoint. It provides a visually pleasing experience. Overall, the design and display of the Redmi A3x are impressive. Section 4. Performance and Software Smooth Operator. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Redmi A3x is powered by a capable processor. It's not the most powerful chip on the market, but it gets the job done for everyday tasks. You can expect smooth performance whether you're browsing the web, checking emails, or scrolling through social media. Apps launch quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and you won't experience any lag or stutter. The phone handles it all with ease. The Redmi A3x runs on Xiaomi's MIUI. It's a custom Android skin that offers a ton of features and customization options. Some users might find it a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the level of control it gives you. MIUI is known for its smooth performance and sleek design, complementing the hardware of the Redmi A3x perfectly. Gaming performance is decent for a budget phone, and you can run most popular games without any issues. Section 5. Camera Capabilities, Point and Shoot Prowess. Let's move on to the camera. The Redmi A3x sports a capable camera system. It captures impressive photos and videos for its price point. The main camera captures a good amount of detail, colors are accurate, and the dynamic range is decent. You'll be able to capture share-worthy shots in various lighting conditions. The camera app is straightforward and easy to use, offering various shooting modes and features to enhance your photography experience. The portrait mode creates a pleasing bokeh effect, blurring the background and making your subject pop. The selfie camera is also decent, capturing good quality selfies for social media. Video recording is smooth and stable, and you can record videos in up to 1080p resolution. Overall, the Redmi A3x's camera system is impressive for its price range. It might not compete with flagship smartphones, but it gets the job done for everyday photography and video recording. Section 6. Battery Life Endurance Champion. Let's talk battery life. This is where the Redmi A3x truly shines. It packs a massive battery that will easily last you all day long, even with heavy usage. You won't have to worry about constantly searching for a charger. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the Redmi A3x's battery can handle it all. And if you do need to charge it up, the phone supports fast charging, which means you can get back to full power in no time. This is a major plus for users who are always on the go. The Redmi A3x's exceptional battery life is one of its standout features, setting it apart from the competition. You can confidently use your phone throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. Section 7. Final verdict. A budget winner? So, there you have it. The Xiaomi Redmi A3x, a budget smartphone that punches well above its weight. It offers a sleek design, a vibrant display, smooth performance, a capable camera system, and exceptional battery life, all at an incredibly affordable price. If you're looking for a value-packed smartphone that doesn't compromise on features, the Redmi A3x is definitely worth considering. It's a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to delivering quality devices at accessible prices. The Redmi A3x faces stiff competition in the budget smartphone market, but it manages to stand out with its impressive battery life and well-rounded features. It's a solid option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable and feature-rich smartphone.